Today we are going to understand the present continuous tense. Now let's first understand the structure of present continuous tense. Subject plus is MR, that's the helping verb, plus ing form of the verb. Always remember, with I we use the helping verb am, with he, she, it we use is, and with you, we, they we use the helping verb are. Now coming to the uses of the present continuous tense. The first use of the present continuous tense is to explain about the action happening right now, means at the time of speaking. Like first example, I can tell that I am drinking tea right now. In this sentence, the first use of present continuous tense is shown. Means this is not a general statement. It's not telling about my tea drinking habit. This sentence is talking about what I am doing just now. Means what is the action done by me at this moment. We can take another example. We are solving grammar exercises. Means this is the thing we are doing right now. It's raining outside. Means what is the condition outside? What's happening there outside? This is the first use of present continuous tense. Now talking about the second use. In second use, it is used to show the temporary action. Let's see the first example. Ria is learning to play piano. It means that Ria is taking piano lessons. Maybe twice a week or maybe thrice a week. We can say that she is in the process of learning to play the instrument. Now another example. I am reading an interesting novel nowadays. Means right now I am not reading that novel, but whenever I find time, I read that novel. In other words, we can say I am in the process of reading that novel. Now coming to the third use. It is used to describe the change that is taking place or happening now. Means these things are going on in this period. Like online classes are becoming very popular these days. It shows that the popularity of the online classes are increasing. Or you can say scientists are saying that Earth is getting warmer. Means Earth is in the process of getting warmer and warmer. So the things which are taking place gradually, that is also explained in present continuous tense. So remember that the present continuous tense is used to talk about action happening right now, temporary activities and changes that are taking place. So now let's find the structure of the present continuous tense in different types of sentences. In assertive sentence, subject plus helping verb plus verb in ing form plus object. Now example, I am doing my work. In negative sentence, subject plus helping verb plus not plus verb in ing form plus object. For example, I am not doing my work. Now into interrogative sentence, helping verb, that's ismr plus subject plus verb in ing form plus object. The example is, am I doing my work? Now the last structure, negative interrogative sentence, helping verb plus subject plus not plus verb in ing form plus object. For example, am I not doing my work? So with this we can come to the end of present continuous. Hope you have understood. Thank you.